morning everyone. Hope you all are fine at home. And today we are going to start Act 1 Scene 3. As you people have done Act 1 Scene 1 and 2, I have already sent you the videos and you have completed your workbook also, I think. Today we will start with Act 1 Scene 3. Now, where is the scene taken place? Like in Venice, public place. Now, who are the characters? Bassanio and Shylock. This is a conversation between Bassanio and Shylock. Shylock is the new character introduced in this scene. Shylock is basically the villain of the Merchant of Venice. You can say Shylock, 3,000 ducats will. Now Shylock is demanding that whether you need 3,000 ducats, Bassanio. Yes, sir. A, sir, for 3 months. Now Bassanio is telling that for 3 months I need 3,000 ducats. Shylock, for 3 months will, Bassanio. For which, as I told you, Antonio shall be bound. Now Bassanio is telling that, and for this I told you Antonio will be my surety. Now he is telling that I will give you the money only if Antonio will be the surety. Shylock, Antonio shall become bound as well. If you will provide me the surety of Antonio, then I'll provide you 3,000 ducats. Bassanio, may you stead me. Stead means help. Will you pleasure me? Pleasure is like giving a favor to anyone. Shall I know your answer? Bassanio is again and again asking Shylock whether he is ready to give 3,000 ducats or not. And he is asking him that he needed his reply. Now Shylock says 3,000 ducats for 3 months and Antonio bound. Now Shylock is ready to provide 3,000 ducats but on one condition, that is the surety of Antonio. Bassanio, your answer to that. Bassanio is saying that you reply to my request. You please give me the reply. Now Shylock doesn't reply, but he gives a very ironic statement that is, Antonio is a good man. Now here he has used an irony in using the word good. Now good he has used in a different way, not as a positive way, we can say. Bassanio, have you heard any imputation? Imputation is like allegation. In the contrary. Contrary is like opposite. He is talking about Antonio because Bassanio, when he has heard an irony against his friend, he has heard whether you heard any kind of an allegation against him. Shylock, oh no. My meaning in saying he is a good man is to have an understand me that he is sufficient. Shylock wants to say that he is already a very rich man and he is having everything, but yet his means are in supposition. Supposition means risk, that his resources are at risk. He had an argosy bound to Tripolis. Tripolis is the name of the place, another to Indies. I understand moreover upon the Rialto. He had a third at Mexico, a fourth for England. Now Shylock is telling that where his ships are. First his ship is at Tripolis, then Indies, then Mexico, and then fourth one is at England. The other ventures he had squandered. Squandered means spread. Where are his other business spread? In abroad. But ships are but boats, sailors, but men. Now ships are only the wooden planks. Now sailors are the mortal. They used to live, they used to die. There be land rats and water rats. As you people have seen, the land robbers, land rats, they are compared, and in the same way water thieves are also there. They are called pirates. Pirates, sea robbers. And then there is the peril of water, wind and rocks. Now he is telling that his ships have already been sailing and it can meet with any kind of a danger during the sailing. The man is not withstanding sufficient 3,000 ducats. I think I may take his bond. That means I will accept his surety. Bassanio, be assured you may. Now Bassanio says that confirm whether you are going to provide 3,000 or not. Now Shylock is still saying that he needs to think one more time before giving a reply of giving 3,000 ducats. Now he said that he wanted to speak to Antonio first before he says yes. Bassanio, if it please you to dine with us. Now Bassanio is requesting Shylock that he should dine with us. Now Shylock says, no, I cannot dine with you. Why I should dine with you, take dinner with you? Because you people are having the meat of the pig. Pork is referred to as the meat of the pig. Yes, to smell pork. Now Shylock is saying, why I should take dinner with you? To smell the meat of the pig? To eat the habitation which a prophet the Nazarite conjured the devil into. Now, the Nazarite is the Jesus Christ here. Now he gave a review that he can buy with them, sell with them, talk with them, and many things he can do, but not eat with them. I will not eat with you, drink with you, nor pray with you. What news on Rialto? Who is he comes here? Now let's see who comes the next person. Now enter Antonio, Bassanio. This is Signor Antonio. Shylock. How like a publican, fawning publican he looks. Fawning publican is referred to here as a flattering tax collector. I hate him for he is a Christian. Now Shylock openly says that I hate him because he is a Christian. He doesn't like the Christian person, but more for that in low simplicity he lends out money gratis and brings down. Like he hates him because he is a Christian, and even more in childish foolishness. What he used to do, Antonio used to lend money without the interest, and moreover he has bring down the rate of interest in the Venice. He lends down the money gratis and brings down the rate of usance. Usance here is interest. Here with us in Venice, if I catch him once upon the hip, I will feed fat the ancient grudge. Once I catch that person, I will take my whole revenge. I will just have all the grudge for him. I will take all the revenge from him. I bear him. He hates our sacred nation and he rails because he hates our race, that is our religion also, and he has never behaved nicely to me. He hates our holy race. He abuses in places. He even abused me also. He hates our sacred nation and he rails. Even there where merchants most do congregate, where the people, most businessmen have earned many profits, on me my bargains and my well-won thrift, which he calls interest. Where I used to earn, where I used to make profits, he is calling interest. Cursed be my tribe if I forgive him. If I forgive him, it will be a curse for me. Thank you.